Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I am so excited because today I'm going to show you one of my absolute favorite crochet techniques ever, and that is the foundation stitch. So you're probably wondering, well, what exactly is the foundation stitch? So it's a technique of working the first row at the same time as working that chain foundation. So you're working both of those at the exact same time, and the reason why a lot of crocheters prefer this method over chaining the foundation stitch number of chains and then working the first row is it is so much quicker, because again, you're working both the chains here at the bottom and that first row at the same time, and it's so much quicker, and it creates a really clean finish and edge to the project, as well as a lot more stretch than chains would. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the foundation stitch with the single crochet, with the half double crochet, and with the double crochet. It's pretty much the exact same for all of them. You're just working it a little bit differently because you're doing single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. So again, I'm so excited for this tutorial, so let's just get right into it. To begin the foundation single crochet, start by making a slip knot as I have done here, and then chain 2. And in that first stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull back through the chain, so you should have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and just pull through that first loop like that, and this creates the chain that you would normally have if you were chaining and then working the first row. So you should have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through those 2 loops. So you have just created the chain right here, as well as the single crochet right here on top. So to work the next stitch, you're going to insert your hook through these 2 loops here. So it should look like that. And then you're going to do the same thing, so yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through just that first loop like that. You should have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through those 2 loops. So now you have 2 single crochets, and to repeat that again, work through those 2 loops there. And it's important to keep your tension relatively loose as you are doing this, because you don't want it to be too tight, and it should look like that. And as you can see, this is so much easier and so much faster than working the chains and then working the first round, because you're doing both of that at the same time, and it creates a really nice finish as well. So you just continue repeating this until you have your desired length. Okay, so I've just done several more, and this is what it should look like for the single crochet foundation stitch. And then to continue with the rest of the project, once you have your length that you want, then everything else is the exact same. You do your chain 1, your turn, and then you work into every stitch just like normal. So once you know a little bit of how it works with the single crochet, doing the half double crochet foundation stitch and the double crochet foundation stitch is going to be pretty easy. It's the exact same concept, except you're working half double crochets or double crochets instead of the single crochet. So to begin the half double crochet, again, start by making a slip knot and then chain 2. And then in that first stitch, well, first you're going to yarn over, And then in that first chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull back through. You should have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through just that first loop, and again that kind of acts as that chain, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And that is your first half double crochet foundation stitch. So again, yarn over, and then to create that next stitch, you're going to insert your hook through these 2 loops right here. Yarn over, pull back through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through that first loop as your chain, yarn over, pull through the last 3 loops, and that is what it should look like. Okay, so now that you have a little bit of an idea of how it works up, you're just going to continue repeating that until you have reached your desired length. Okay, this is what it looks like after working several more stitches. And you're going to continue repeating until you have reached your desired length, and everything else is the exact same. Chain 1, turn, and then continue working your stitches. So this is how you do the half double crochet foundation stitch. So the last foundation stitch that I'm going to show you how to do is the foundation double crochet. So start by making a slip knot and then chaining 3. And then yarn over, and in that first chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull back through. You should have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through just that first loop, and you should have again 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops, and you should have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So that is your foundation double crochet. So again, work yarn over and insert your hook through those 2 loops that are on the bottom, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. And you are going to continue repeating this until you have reached your desired length. Okay, so I just worked several more stitches, and this is what it should look like. And as you can see, this is quite an easy technique that creates a really clean start to any project. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on learning how to do the foundation stitch on the single crochet, the half double crochet, and the double crochet. This is my absolute favorite way of starting every project, as it creates a really nice edge, as well as it provides a lot more stretch, and it is so much quicker and so much easier to do. So again, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Please like this video and subscribe so you never miss any more crochet videos or content.